Hi, I'm Megan Potler from the Office of Enterprise Integration, and I'm going to provide you with a quick overview of the PMC Readiness Assessment Data Collection Tool. The PMC Readiness Assessment is focused on 6 priority areas and is requesting the functionally aligned resource data that supports those areas. Because there are several different data sets that need to be collected, the tool is designed to pass between multiple data providers. Therefore, in order to work properly, the workflow displayed needs to be followed. Each step of the data collection tool workflow will add a layer of functional alignment. Let's go ahead and launch the data collection tool. To begin aligning resources, the tool will require you to build your organizational chart. This will allow the data to be aligned organizationally. To begin building your organizational chart, it is easiest to start from the top of the organization and work your way down. To add an office, enter an office ID. We are going to use 1. Since this is the first office we are adding to our organizational chart, the parent office drop-down will be left blank. Enter the office's name. For this example, we will use the Office of Human Resource Management. We will leave the station number blank. Lastly, enter the administration or staff office that the office resides under. And finally, select the Add button. You will notice that the box was drawn on the right-hand side of the screen with the office name displayed. You would continue this process until your organization is accurately depicted on the right side of the screen, being sure to select the appropriate parent office as you go along to ensure your organization is properly aligned. But for now, we will go on to demonstrate how to add functions to your office's functional details. To access the functional details page of an office, select the blue pencil Edit button beside the office, and then click the Edit Details button at the bottom of the page. The office's functional details page will open. The first thing you will need to do is add any functions from the VA Business Reference Model that the office performs. For our example, we will be adding the functions from the service area of Human Capital. So we will select 2.5, Conduct Human Capital Management under the BRM Level 2. And then we will add the following functions. 2541, Conduct Employee Performance Management. 25412, Employee Performance Management Program Development. And 25413. Employee Performance Management Program Evaluation. You would continue to add functions from the VA Business Reference Model until all of the functions the office conducts are reflected. Now that we have all of our functions aligned to our office, we will align the FTEs, contracts, and systems information to those functions. Select the Edit button beside function 2541. We are going to align the Director of Employee Performance Management to this function. We'll add their occupational series. We'll add their GS level of 15. And we'll add 1 to reflect that there is 1 FTE that relates to this criteria. You would continue this process until all of the office's FTE resources are aligned functionally within this office. To add a contract alignment, select the function that the contract supports. For our example, we will align a contract to 2541. Conduct Employee Performance Management. The contract title is Employee Performance Management Support. You would add the PIID. You would then add a short description of the contract and the contract value, and select the Add button. The last resource alignment that this tool captures is Systems Alignment. We will align our Employee Performance Management System to 2541. Conduct Employee Performance Management. And we will assign a VASI ID. In this case, we will just use 123 and select Add. Once all the FTEs, contracts, and systems have been aligned properly to all of the functions this office performs, you would select the Save button at the bottom of the screen and conduct the same process for the rest of the offices in your organizational chart. Collecting the data in this manner is creating a relational database that aligns resources to offices as well as functions. This concludes the PMC Readiness Assessment Data Collection Tool demonstration.